Today, I want to talk about how if we have a function, right, and say we're given a slope value, right, and what we want to do is figure out on that function, is there a point, right, where the line tangent to that point will have that slope value that was given to us. So what do I mean by this? So here is our f of x, right, and here is our slope value. And if we do in fact have a point where the slope value is given to us, we want to solve for the equation of that line, all right, and solve for the point. So the first step is taking the derivative of this function, right? So we can just apply the power rule. This will be 4x, right, because we bring it on 2, subtract 1. This will be 13, and then this will go away. So f prime of x equals 4x minus 13. Right? We haven't done anything hard yet. That's all been easy. So then what we want to do is equate this to our given tangent. So to a given slope value. Sorry, that's what I mean. So 4x minus 13 equals negative 1. So if you get something like this, that means you do in fact have a point, right, where that value, or where the tangent line will equal that slope value. So we do have a point. If you take the derivative and then you equate that to the slope and you come up with some nonsensical statement, then you don't have a point. Okay, so we add 12 and we get 4x equals 12. Then we get x equals 3. So let's write that up here. So x equals 3. So let's let's remove this for some extra room, right? So then the next thing that we want to do is we want to figure out what is our y value, because we're solving for a point. We need an x value and we need a y value, right? So all we do is we take this x value and we plug it into the original equation. So we get 3 squared minus 13 times 3 plus 5, right? And this will equal negative 16. Okay, you're welcome to do that math yourself, or you can just take my word for it. Y equals negative 16. So then let's erase this. So here we know our point now. We know at the point 3 comma negative 16 that the line tangent to the point on this graph will in fact have the slope where m equals negative 1. So then the next thing that we want to do is solve for the equation of this line. So how can we do that? Well, the first thing we want to do is just start with y equals mx plus b. So y equals mx plus b, right? This is something you learned in early middle school, maybe elementary school, right? So we have our y value, negative 16, equals m, negative 1, then x, 3, plus b. All we have to do is solve for b, right? So then we have b minus 3 equals negative 16, and then we have b equals negative 13. So our final equation for that line will be y equals negative x, right? Because m equals negative 1, minus 13. So here we have the two things that we wanted to calculate at the start. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something. Let me know if I said anything wrong or if you have anything additional to add. Have a great day.